Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make skin whitening potato facial bleach, get fair, spotless, glowing skin. Skin whitening potato facial. For this we will needs potato, rose water, lemon, honey. At first take a potato and peel off the potato. Then cut the potato into small pieces. And put in a blender. Add some rose water. Now grind the potato pieces with rose water. Take the potato paste in a bowl. If your skin is oily, add few drops of lemon juice into the paste, and if your skin is dry, add 1 teaspoon of honey into the paste. If your skin is normal, you can add 2 into the paste. Mixed well. Now apply this paste on your face. Wait for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, wash your face with water. For better result, apply this 2-3 times in a week. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel.